aim of this experiment is to find out the emissivity of a given test plate. So there are two test plates here. One is a real surface, the other one is black body. So both the plates are more or less similar. Only this black surface. This is also an aluminum plate, but it is covered with a carbon black. That is how it is made ideal. Okay. And this is also aluminum plate, but a polyimide surface. So we are trying to compare the emissivity of the test plate. This is the test plate, which is a plain polished surface with respect to the other plate, which we are considering it as a black body. Okay. So what is emissivity? Emissivity is the ratio of heat energy emitted by the real surface, or we call it as a grey surface, to the black body. The ratio is what is called as emissivity. Okay. Black body usually emits maximum heat energy. So the ratio, if you are considering, it will be usually less than 1. So the procedure of conducting the experiment is, here we are seeing that there are two power indicators, and there are below each plate there is a heater. Below the heater, asbestos. So we provide equal heat energy to both the plates by adjusting this two knobs. This is for the first test plate. The second one is for the black body. Okay, you adjust it so that I can get equal power in watts. We are seeing here 54 and more or less 53 equal heat input. Now each plate is provided with 3 temperature indicators, thermocouples. So T1, T2, T3 indicates temperature of the gray. You see here, temperature of the black body, and T. Huh?
Black body T1, T2 grey body, T3 ambient.
Okay, only one. Sorry, there is only one thermocouple provided for each plate. So the first is temperature of the T1 is temperature of black body, T2 is temperature of grey body, T3 is the temperature of the enclosure. Okay, temperature of the enclosure. Right. So for each, you will switch on the power input, and if once a steady state is achieved, then you take the temperature readings of the black and grey body. Okay. So the formula to find out the emissivity is equal to TB to the power 4 minus enclosure temperature, that is T3 to the power 4 divided by T2. What is T2? Surface test plate temperature to the power 4 minus again T3 to the power 4. I repeat the formula again. T, that is black body temperature, to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4. T3 is the enclosure temperature divided by test plate temperature, T2 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4. By this formula, I can find out what is the emissivity. So now you see, I take temperature T1. What is T1? 145. Then (134.4). Then this is your enclosure temperature, 37.5. Okay. We will wait for 5 minutes. Again, we will take one more reading. Okay. The diameter of the plate is 150 mm. That you note down. 150 mm is the diameter of both the plates. Okay. So the procedure is, you have to switch on the power supply, adjust the power supply to the suitable reading. So here we have adjusted it to 53 watts. Then wait till the steady state is reached and record the temperature of the black body, grey body and enclosure surface, and repeat the experiments for different input conditions. Okay. So we'll now let us wait for 5 minutes and we will take one more reading for the same power input reading. We will change the power input reading again, will slightly increase. Again we will take second set of reading. Okay. So 146.5 T1. One 125. The enclosure temperature is 38. Okay. Now we will change the power input to 60 and again take one more set of reading. Okay. I am changing the power input to 60 for both the plates. Now we will wait for a few minutes and again we will take the temperature readings. We take it as 61 power input. The T1 temperature is 149.5. This is 141.5 and T3 temperature is again, that is enclosure temperature is 38.1. Okay. So now I can find out the emissivity by the formula. Temperature of the black body to the power 4 minus enclosure temperature to the power 4 divided by grey surface temperature to the power 4 minus enclosure temperature T3 to the power 4. That ratio will give me the emissivity of the test plate. So here is my test plate and here is my black body. There is no difference between these two, only this one is covered with a black coat and this is a plain polished surface. Okay. I will switch off the. Now always reduce the power to 0, ensure that it is 0, then you have to switch off. Then you have to switch off the equipment.